I love making and creating stuff with my Glowforge. My daughter and I have even engraved on candy. Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. I've been having my Glowforge for a little over 18 months now. When I first got my Glowforge, I always knew I wanted to make custom acrylic jewelry. And I did, over and over and over. And one day, someone asked, hey, can you teach me how you make that custom acrylic jewelry? I want to start a side hustle similar to what you got going on. But then I kept on getting asked, hey, how do you make that? How do you make that? How do you make that? So that's when YouTube came to mind. Today, I have over 4,000 subscribers. I mean, that is mind-blowing to me. Glowforge has literally taken my creativity way beyond I can imagine. Not only have I made and taught people how I make custom acrylic jewelry, but I have also made jewelry boxes, coasters, earrings, nameplates. I mean, the list goes on. Glowforge has allowed me to get into this community of creative people. That alone brings so much happiness in my world. And to this day, this would have never happened if I didn't get a Glowforge.